Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith. Today, I'm going to talk about how to start a journal business, but I want to talk about my top 5 tools that I use in my journal business. I've done a video on each of these platforms separately, but I just wanted to do a new video to show you guys the top 5 tools that I use for my journal business. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. My number one top platform that I use for my journal business is Canva. Canva has tools that you can use, such as different colors. You can create your own color palettes. You can upload designs. You can create a whole brand, upload fonts. You can save your favorite brand fonts for your business. You can create folders and files. There's a resize tool. You can export in PNG with a transparent background. You can export in PDF. There's just so many options that you can use Canva for. You can create interiors, coloring pages. You can create handwriting pages for your journals, prayer journals, to-do lists. So many options, and you're able to be super creative in Canva. You can upload your own designs and custom pictures along with elements and things like that as well in Canva. It's $12.95 for Canva Pro. I feel like it is super worth it. I've been a Canva Pro member for a very long time. I also have a playlist on Canva tutorials on my channel if you want to check out some of the things I can teach you and how to better use Canva for your journal business. So along with Canva, I love Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica has a whole POD menu. That means everything print on demand, t-shirts, journals, coloring books, so many things, elements, fonts that you can find for your print on demand business. It just makes life a little bit easier. They do have KDP journal pages as well. You can go into the search bar and you can type KDP and you can get lots of different interiors that you can buy. There's a doctor logbook, there's line pages, there's mandalas, adult coloring pages, line pages, so many different interiors. They even have a Mother's Day notebook. If you are also a designer, this is a great website that you can use to have an additional income stream in your journal business. If you found that you're really good with creating interiors and researching, you can take those skills and make them a part of your journal business income. The 3 tools that I like to help with my Etsy shop and when it comes to researching, the first one is Alura. It's really good, especially if you have an Etsy shop and you can connect your Etsy shop to Alura to do searches, keyword searches, product researches, figure out how you can do better with your listings, and you can check out other shops to see what they're doing, what kind of keywords they're using. Laura and the other 2 platforms that I'm going to talk about have really helped me to gain traction on my Etsy store. Without them, I don't know where I would be. I would probably be lost. I'm really good at research, but it's always good to have something else to help you out. I use Alura. And then also I have Sales Samaurai. So this one is also a all-in-one growth tool. I like to use this to, if I find a listing, I'll copy that listing on Etsy and I'll go into the search bar and you can type it in and it'll show like the actual picture of the item. It'll show like how many searches, approximately how much money they're making, how many sales, and then it'll show you also things like their tags. So it'll just help you better create your listing. You can also check and see like how many pictures people have, what kind of pictures they have for their listing, what is doing well in their listings that you can apply to yours that is in the same niche. So that is a good tool for you guys to use as well. You can add your shops in there. You can just track your competition as well and favorite. Along with each of these tools, just know that there is a price that is connected to some of them. Some of them you can use for free, and some of them you do need to sign up. On each web page, they do have pricing information. So last but not least, I have BookBolt is a all-around great tool because you can create covers on BookBolt, you can create your interiors, you can do research on BookBolt, and all of this will be really good for your journal business just to take it to a different level. So here it's showing you how you can create a beautiful design for a cover. They have the puzzle whiz where you could create game workbooks for people who take long trips, people who just like to do word puzzle. So much research and that you can use to better your business. Everything that you need is here. Using these 5 different platforms together will ultimately push your journal business to a different level. And I use them all. Some I use more than others, but they're all really great tools to use. And I just want anyone who may be starting their journal business, or you're stuck and you're not making the income that you would like, invest in one of these tools to make it better, to make it easier for you to get that sale. When I first started, none of these things were around. I was really relying on Amazon. So there weren't that many tools around. They came out later. So having this help is really good for you if you want to get ahead a little bit faster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my top 5 tools that I use for my journal business. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.